Welcome to the Peconic River. The Peconic River is a warm, slow-moving, naturally acidic, and nutrient-poor freshwater stream ecosystem. Did you hear that part I said about naturally acidic and nutrient-poor? That should become a familiar set of phrases for you, because it describes the soil in the Pine Barrens too. The soil is nutrient-poor and naturally acidic. It's nutrient-poor because it's sand, and sand does not hold organic material very well. The Peconic River is the only east-west river on Long Island. It flows from Brookhaven National Laboratories into the Peconic Bay. The Peconic River and its headwaters have associated coastal plain ponds. These include the Tarkill Pond Panamoka Complex. On this day, when I kayaked in the Peconic River with Dr. Taylor, it was my first time in a kayak. It had never occurred to me how interesting the forest would look from the frog's eye view. To see the trees and the plants from the bottom up. To see the plants growing in the water. I wanted to use iNaturalist on this trip and to identify all of the plants because I knew so few of them. But I didn't want to tip over, which became a very real risk. As it turns out that if you've never been in a kayak, it's a little challenging. While we were on this trip, I heard frogs, bullfrogs. It got me pretty happy because in my real life I don't hear a lot of frogs. We heard the red-winged blackbirds. There was a flock of them in the tall shore grasses. This really was my first time in a kayak. I did get stuck a lot. Oh my. I'm just going to point out, if you've never been in a kayak, it's harder than it looks. Although easy to get stuck. The red-winged blackbirds, the males were all there, calling their song, telling all the females how awesome their nest was. We saw a great heron take off right in front of us. I'm hoping that as you watch these videos, you're inspired to go into the forest, into the woods, with a kayak and a friend. Get cold, get wet, go get a horse, make your butt and legs sore, go put on your sneakers or your hiking boots and get blisters on your feet. Go out there and see what it looks like and smell what it looks like and wonder how all the pieces fit together. Because they do.